And what is this? Check this thing out, bro. Yo, I told you guys it was lit, man. You guys didn't believe me, man, but look. Bro, killing the game. See, you're all nice and washed. What's good, guys? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. And man, as you can see, got her all nice and clean for today. Yo, so much has been going on lately. I've been so busy with the gaming channel and just a lot of content in general. Stay tuned because I got a lot of stuff on the way. But man, I've been waiting a long time for this day, guys. A long time. I ordered this stuff a couple months ago, to be honest. Like, it's taken a while, but I'm glad that the day has finally come. After today, this thing's gonna be looking a whole lot different. I'll tell you that right now. You guys see it? I mean, it looks good right now, but wait till you guys see what I got in store, man. Shit is about to be lit. Check this out. Yeah, can you guess what that is? Let me know in the comments, man. Do you know what that is? All I gotta say is it's lit. That thing is about to be the best looking wide body 392 scat pack out here, man. But yeah, man, hey, if you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps tremendously, you know, in our growth, and I appreciate it greatly. The more we grow, the more you guys support, the more you like, share, and subscribe, the better content I'm gonna be able to bring. So if you want to do me that favor, I really do appreciate it, because I think it's like 70% now. Before it was 80, now it's 70% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So we're improving. We could do a whole lot better, man. So if you guys enjoy the videos, please do me that favor and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment, because it all goes a long way. But we about to get right into it, man. We about to unwrap these things and see what they are. Man, I am so hype. You guys don't understand how hype I am, man. This is really about to take my car to the next level, and it's about to take the channel to the next level. You guys don't even know. You guys might have an idea, but wait till you really see what's under there, man. Let's stop wasting time though. Let's get right into it. All right, let's do this, man. We got the handy dandy pocket knife. Where should we start? Let's start with the small one. No, actually, let's start with the big one, man. Hell no. We're gonna go big. See, it's fragile. Just wait till you guys see this, man. Seriously, I'm so hyped right now. I've had this sitting in my garage like this, haven't even looked at it, just because so much stuff has been going on. And now the day has finally come. When I tell you guys I've been waiting on this for several months, like, yeah, I paid for this and everything a few months ago, and I've been waiting on it. But you know, it's understandable. A lot of stuff going on right now. I wasn't really putting any pressure on, you know, the people I got it from. Just because everyone's going through a lot right now, you know, so it is what it is. I wasn't in a hurry or nothing, but yeah, man, it's time. It's time to take the channel to another level, people. And this is just the start. The vision's about to start coming together for real after this. You guys starting to see what it is here? I know a lot of you guys probably already guessed it. And it's like Christmas came early, man. Christmas in November. Yes, sir. I like how they wrapped it, because this shit was not cheap. Man, they sure did wrap this good. This is gonna take a while to unwrap all this. Bro, I need some help. What you guys think, man? What is it going to be? Yo, closer I get, the hyper I get, man. All right, here we go. It's ready. Oh, 2 pieces. Ooh. Okay, this is the bottom of it. Oh, what is that? I think I just seen a little something. Oh, okay. That's the carbon fiber, bruh? Is that carbon fiber? Sheesh. Guys, look at that. Wow. Yo, you guys see it, man. We ain't playing no games with them. Yes, sir. We ain't playing no games with them. Oh, man.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
I can't wait. If this is carbon fiber, then what's all that? I told you guys, man, I'm about to kill the game with this. I wasn't playing no games with them, man. You know, I wanted to get it, but I wanted to go top level with all this stuff. And here's this as well. This goes right up in there. 2-piece. Okay, I think we could do that or not. You know, it's kind of our decision whether we want to or not. You guys see it? Carbon fiber splitter for the wide body. Yes, sir. Wow. I told you guys it's lit. I couldn't just get the regular. I had to get the top of the mook, as my man Tall Guy Car Reviews would say. We go in top of the mook with it. It's all top of the mook. What you guys think of that splitter though? I am hyped to see how that looks, man. That is, I looked, believe me, man, when I look for something, I make sure what I'm getting is, you know, to the best of what I want. And out of all the splitters I seen, this one right here, this was the best one. I mean, just look at it, bro. Goes up on the sides, nice, good quality, ain't that thin, flimsy stuff. This some good quality stuff. And I'm gonna put the link in the description, or I'll give you guys the page, Chrome and Carbon. You know, you could go hit them up, tell them who is LouieXIII sent you, because they got the best stuff that I seen. Like, in my opinion, they had the best stuff, and they keep coming out with newer and newer things too. You guys are gonna see what all I got. They do different colors too, like you get this in red carbon, whatever you want. So we got the splitter. There's a lot of packages over here. I wonder what this might be. You guys take a wild guess? I don't know, man. I'm starting to go a little faster because I'm getting more hype. I need to slow down, make sure I don't mess nothing up. All right, man, so if that's the splitter and that's carbon fiber, then what is this? Oh, wow. What? Yo, check this. Bruh, when I tell you I'm about to kill the game, when I say that, I ain't lying to you guys, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Check this thing out, bro. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yes, sir. Does the carbon fiber match the whip, or does the whip match the carbon fiber, man? I don't know, but shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews, and shout out to Mr. Organic for the sayings. Sheesh. And we get a little more airflow right here with this. Bruh, I am so hype. What you guys think of all this, man? Is this what you thought it would be? Sheesh. If that ain't killing the game, I don't know what is. I really don't know what is. And we ain't done yet. We still got 3 more to go. You thought we were done? Nah, we ain't done. Look at that, bruh. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Wow!
Bro, it is lit. I'm starting to get impatient, man. So if that's the carbon fiber splitter, that's the carbon fiber diffuser, you know, then what is this? Or what are these? You know what I'm saying? If that's the carbon fiber splitter, this is the carbon fiber diffuser, looking oh so sexy, you know what I'm saying? Then what are these? That's what I want to know. I'm about to find out. You guys know what they are? I don't know, man. Ooh, I see a little more carbon fiber right there. Oh, I see a lot more carbon fiber right there. And be careful with that carbon fiber, man. Hold up, what's that? Oh, okay. Oh, that's that side skirt, ain't it? Bruh, going up with the fin in the back? Come on, man. This ain't no regular stuff right here, people. How's that gonna go on there? This ain't no regular stuff, I'm trying to tell you guys. Oh man, what you guys think of that? Killing the mother game. At this point, you guys already know, man. I got the whole kit. What you guys thinking so far, man? Drop it down in the comments below. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Do you like carbon fiber, or you like regular stuff? Cause me, as you can see, I like that carbon fiber, man. So we got one side skirt, carbon fiber. That means we gotta have 2 side skirts, carbon fiber. Bruh. Okay, whole lot of packaging. We're getting down to the last 2. You guys see all that right there. And you might say you already got the whole kit. You got the splitter, you got the diffuser, you got the side skirts, all carbon fiber. I mean, what more can there be, man? We still got 2 to go. A lot of people were saying, yo, you should get a wicker bill. Wicker bills are dope. And I was gonna get a wicker bill. I was gonna get a carbon fiber wicker bill. But I thought to myself, let's just go a little more top level with it, man. Let's get a whole carbon fiber wing. What? Yo, tell me who's doing this right now, guys. Let me know. Yeah, we got the carbon fiber wing, guys. What y'all think of that? Bro, oh my God. Look at the carbon fiber, bruh. What you guys think? Does it match? Does it look good? We about to see, man. We about to put all this stuff on right now. All this is going on the whip right now, man. I told you, I've been hinting at this for a little while now. I told you guys I got something on the way that's gonna take my whip to a whole nother level, take it to the next level. Behold, man. And we still got one more. I don't even know what this is. When I said I didn't know what these are, I wasn't lying to you guys. I honestly don't know what these are. But if I had to guess, I would have to say that it's more carbon fiber. What are they? Oh shoot. I honestly don't know what these are. These must be for the side skirts, maybe? I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I honestly don't know what this is too. You guys guess what this is too? I think it's probably on the side skirt somewhere. Somewhere on the side skirt, I don't know. We're gonna find out though. I got some more carbon fiber right here too that I don't even know what it goes to. Yo, I told you guys it was lit, man. You guys didn't believe me, man, but look. Bro, killing the game. I told you guys I was about to kill the game with what I had coming. And I don't know, you tell me. Am I gonna kill the game with that? We about to find out because we're doing the install on that all today. We're gonna do the whole install. I'm gonna take you guys along the process. Tell me what you guys think though, man. You like the carbon fiber? You like it? Yo, this is legit. I mean, who's doing that, man? I got the wing, I got the side skirts, I got the diffuser, I got the splitter, and I got whatever those are right there. I'm gonna figure it out. I don't even know what those are. I'm being totally honest, I don't know what those are. I'm so hyped though to put all this stuff on and see what it looks like. I'm sure you guys are as well, because man, just look at it. And a lot of people, they ask me, I know a lot of people are gonna wonder, like, damn, how the hell does he afford all that stuff? Because a lot of people ask me what I do for money and all that. And guys, I've said it before, I went into this, getting this vehicle right here, not even knowing if I can afford it. I saved up some money and, you know, I had a little vision. You know, I wanted to start a YouTube, do this car content. And so I just took a big leap of faith, man, as Tall Guy Car Reviews and Mr. Organic said, I took a big leap of faith. I said, F it, man, I'm gonna buy the car, boom, got it, started my channel, and here we are, man. Now I'm just making investments. You know what I'm saying? Now I focus all my time into this YouTube. I got the gaming channel, I got this car channel, and these are investments right here, man. Obviously, I'm gonna enjoy these, you know, but this is gonna take my car to the next level, which in turn is gonna take my channel to the next level. So these are all investments right here, man, and these are the first of many, many investments that I'm about to do. Like I said, we're about to get deep into modding this vehicle right here, man, and not just cosmetics. Like I said, man, we got a whole lot on the way. And I dropped a pretty penny on this, man. So if you guys have a vision, you know, and you're confident, be smart about it, obviously. Don't go and just quit your job. You know, have a plan. Be confident in it. If you're confident in it and you got a solid plan and you know you're gonna succeed, like I knew I would, then man, go for it. You know what I'm saying? I quit my previous job and I'm focusing all on this. And man, it's just basically a big leap of faith. I'm not nothing special. You know, I ain't balling out here. I'm literally investing all my money into these channels, and I'm trying to just level up, man. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. I ain't no different from you. You ain't no different from me. We all could do whatever we want, man. So I'm just here to tell you, I'm not trying to preach to you guys or anything, but if you have a dream, if you have a vision, if you have a plan, and you're confident in it, and you're smart about it, go through with it, man. Life ain't long enough. We don't got enough time here to be waiting around, wasting our time. We got to go through and do what we're trying to do out here. I'm trying to get to where I need to be in life, where I want to be in life, to be able to enjoy all the things I want to. And that takes doing stuff that, you know, I don't want to say you're not too sure about, but stuff that might scare you a little bit. You know, you don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm doing this, I don't know how it's going to turn out. I could get 1,000 views off of this and not make any money off of it, not make any of my money back. Or I could get a couple 100,000 views, or I could just get a mediocre amount of views. But either way, I'm taking the big leaps of faith, and I ain't leaving it in anybody else's hands but my own. So enough of the talking and all that, man. We're about to install this stuff, see how it all looks. I know you guys are anxious to see it. I'm anxious to see it, you know, but I just wanted to let you guys know, don't give up on your dreams. You know, you guys could do whatever you want in life. You just got to do it, man. Put in the work. Nothing comes easy. You got to work for it. I'm hustling all day, every day now. I have no days off. I have 2 channels uploading consistently throughout the week, you know, and I'm not gonna stop anytime soon. You know, I'm just trying to go up, up, up. That's all I'm focused on right now, and that's all you guys should be focused on too. If you're trying to ask people how they make money, and you know, you want to wonder what's the secret on how to get it, there is no secret. You know what the secret is? Hard work. If you're not spending every second of your time getting money or thinking of a way to get money, you know, there's plenty of ways to do it out here. You just got to find what works for you, or find a couple things that work for you, and make your money make money. See this right here? I have a car content channel. So this right here is making my money make money. I spent money on this, which in turn, I'm hoping is gonna make money for me. So I'm putting my money out to work for me, you see? You guys get it, man? Read some books, gain some knowledge. I'll recommend some books to you guys, and I'll try to inspire in any way that I can. But I'm right here right now. I'm way down here. In the grand scheme of things, I'm way down here. This is nothing, people. This is just a car right here. Compared to my goals and my dreams and my aspirations, I'm right here. I'm on the ground right now. But you know where I'm trying to be? Way up there, baby, and we are gonna get there. We are gonna get there. We're gonna do it together. This doesn't happen without the support from you guys. That's why I always tell you I appreciate you guys so much, and I mean it, man. None of this would happen without you guys. So without further ado, man, I'm gonna stop rambling at the mouth, and we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna go ahead and install all this carbon fiber stuff right here, and I'm hype as hell. This is about to be lit. I'm telling you, I'm about to kill the game. I told you I'm about to kill the game, and I told you this is about to be the best looking wide body scat pack out. Period. I'm sorry to all my people with the scat packs, with the wide body scat packs, with the HELLCATs. You know, if you got a wide body charger, you know what I'm saying, just look at it. Because this is only the beginning, man. This is only the beginning, man. Stay tuned.